Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to help us confirm you own this account in your Hotmail. Let's begin. First, sign in with your Hotmail account, and once you've successfully click on your profile icon on the top right corner over here. Then choose My Profile. It will open up a new section over here on the left panel. Make sure to click on Your Info to manage your details. Then scroll down a bit, click on Sign In Preferences, and check your recovery methods. Make sure your phone number and recovery email are correct and up to date. Once updated, review your details and don't forget to hit Save Changes. Alright? This ensures Microsoft can and absolutely verify your identity and helps you bypass the prompt in the future. That's it. We've successfully updated your recovery info and fixed the confirmation issue and secured your Hotmail account. I hope you found this video very helpful.